So a title insurance commitment is something that you'll see before you're issued your final policy of title insurance whenever you're buying a home. So a commitment looks very similar to the final policy, but it's going to contain a list of issues that your underwriter needs to have resolved before closing. You should make sure all the personal information on your title commitment is correct, and if you are purchasing an apartment, be sure your policy correctly describes the legal description unit number rather than a common address unit number. That is the number on the door. Sometimes units on a plat are the same as the doors of the apartments, but sometimes they differ and they can be easily confused. After any issues have been resolved, your final policy will be issued. Unlike many types of insurance, such as auto or home insurance, which insure from the effective date forward in time, title insurance policies generally insure backward in time, from the effective date backwards, against defects which came into being before you purchased the property. These defects include unreleased mortgages, other unreleased liens such as federal tax liens or mechanics liens or missing interests. That is, for example, if someone passes away and their interest is not properly conveyed out of their estate, they might still own a piece of their property. Your policy will have a covered risk section which details all the protections the policy gives, and it will include an exceptions section, which is basically exactly that. There are exceptions from coverage carved out of the benefits given to you under the covered risk section. So basically first the policy gives and then it takes away. So you can always purchase a more premium policy of title insurance, which might include extra coverage, endorsements, and these endorsements would provide specific extra coverage depending on risks particular to your property. If you encounter a problem with your property later, do not neglect to review your title insurance policy and see if it's a covered issue. It might be something that your title insurance company can pay for instead of you, and people often forget about it.